Hello everyone, welcome again on Tips Engineer Zone. We are going to learn about vector group test. Okay, this is the vector group test lectures. So we are going to learn about how to connect vector groups, how to identify vector groups on of transformer. So okay, so a transformer vector group is test to verify the phase displacement, polarities, and winding configurations, okay, of transformer to ensure it can operate safely in parallel or with others. So this is the essential during commissioning, factory acceptance and maintenance to prevent circulating current and synchronization issue. Okay, so vector group test is purpose of vector group test: check the phase sequence and angular displacement between HV and LV and confirm polarity of windings, okay, and ensure compatibility for parallel operation of transformers and prevent short circuit, circulating currents and maloperation of protection systems. Okay, so vector group test require equipments like a three-phase supply, usually applied to HV sites, and voltmeter or potentiometric method for voltage ratio measurements, and single-phase meter. Yeah, this is the alternative methods, and test lead and safety gears. Okay. So transformer vector groups step-by-step procedure. First to pre-checks. What pre-checks? Ensure transformer is isolated, grounded and safe to energize. Okay, and apply three-phase voltage to HV sites and measure voltage between HV and LV terminals using voltmeter and potentiometric methods, and check polarity. Verify correct orientation of windings and plot phasor diagram. Use measured values to determine phase displacements and confirm vector group. Compare result with standard vector group notations lead like D111 या YD1 या YD11. Okay, and transform vector group. This is the list of all vector group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Talking about the dy and 11. This is, and connection is delta is HV and star is LV, because delta is capital letter. Okay, delta is capital letters, that's why this is the delta HV winding, and star is the small letter, means LV. And if this is the clock, this is a 12, this is the 11, this is the 1. Okay, this is the 6, this is the 3, this is the 9. Now clock is, if clock is 11 means anti-clockwise, so 11 means plus 30-degree displacement. If this clock is goes to the 1 means minus 30. So simple things, 11 is a plus 30 degree and 1 is the minus 30 degree. Understood? And this is the D111, this is a minus 30, this is YD11 means plus 30, and 0 means 0 degree displacement. Okay, 0 means 0 degree displacement. Now transformer vector group D111, this is the all the connection, vector group connection and displacement degree. 1 means minus 30, plus 11 means plus 30 degree, 0 means 0 degree displacement. Now vector group is 30 degree lag, means 1 1 1 dy1 dyd1 and yz1. Okay, and plus 30 degree lead phase means 11 11 11 means dy11 yd11 and yz11. Z means star, Z means zigzag. Okay, Z means zigzag, D means delta, Y means stars. So we are talking about the YD1 means Y is the star means capital letter. This is the high voltage winding, and this is the delta low voltage winding. Okay, this is the one means 11 at 11. This is DD naught means delta delta. DD naught means delta delta. This is delta, this is delta. Okay, if you want to check the vector group of any transformer, if you given one example, I am taking one example, DY and 11. DY and 11 means DY and 11 means plus 30-degree lead phase displacement. Okay, now how to test and how to check the vector group of transformer. Okay, so if talking about DY and 11, so sort the terminal 1U and 2U using the wire of right size means 2.5 square mm copper. Okay, this is the DY and 11. So first 1U and 2U short by 2.5 square mm wire, and apply 3 phase 50 Hz low voltage say 515 volt to HV winding with the LV winding open circuited, and measure the voltage in the HV and LV winding. Use good quality voltmeter for measurement and use same meter for measuring ST and LT volts, and check if operation for the relevant vector group are satisfied. Okay, cause do not apply voltage to LV terminals, as this would induce dangerously high voltage at HV terminals. For examples, for D111 vector group, the following equation must satisfied. If 1U 2W equal to 1V 2U, and 1W and 2W less than 1W 2V, and 1U 2N plus 1V 2N equal to 1 capital V. Similarly, equation could be derived from any other vector group, and test can be checked crosswise. Okay, so first check this is the star winding. Okay, and this is the delta winding. D is capitals. D is capital means 1U 1B and 1W, and this is the star. Okay, 1U 1B and 1W. So for example, D111 vector group, so this is the condition to measure the cross check the vector group test. And in the market there are lots of instrument to directly measure. Just connect the lead, as per requirement, means this is the star winding HV, means HV lead connect to there, and LV lead connect here, and click the auto mode, and you can get easily vector group, and meter also measure the vector group of the transformer. Okay, so this PPT also included in the download section, you can download there. And thanks for watching vector group test video. Thank you.